I'm Dr. Sunil, consultant surgical oncologist, KIMS Health Cancer Center, Trivandrum. We'll be speaking to you a few words on ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer, as you know, is a very common malignancy affecting women between the age group 35 to 60. The lifetime risk of getting ovarian cancer at present is 1 in 78. That means to say 1 out of 78 women are at risk of developing ovarian cancer over lifetime. So the general symptoms of ovarian cancer are a very gradual onset of abdominal distension. It's very some women complain of bloating. Some of them have urinary symptoms and bowel symptoms. Early satiety is another symptom. Loss of weight and loss of appetite. Most patients present in stage 3 disease because of absent symptoms in stage 1 and stage 2 ovarian cancers. Basically, ovarian cancer has 4 stages: stage 1, 2, 3 and 4. Stage 1 is early ovarian cancer. Stage 2, the ovarian cancer spreads within the pelvis, that is deep in the abdominal cavity, and stage 3 spreads to the general abdominal cavity, and stage 4 to distant organs. So the treatment of ovarian cancer depends on the stage of ovarian cancer. For stage 1, usually we do a surgery followed by chemotherapy. Chemotherapy generally we give 4 to 6 cycles chemotherapy. Again for stage 2 also we do surgery followed by chemotherapy. In stage 3 ovarian cancers, where the disease is spread into the general abdominal cavity, sometimes we may not be able to do the surgery upfront. So we may have to give 2 or 3 cycles chemotherapy, and then reassess the response to chemotherapy and then plan surgery. But overall, we give 6 cycles chemotherapy and surgery. Either we do the surgery first and then give 6 cycles chemotherapy, or we give 3 cycles chemotherapy, assess the response, do the surgery, and then follow it up with 3 more cycles. But if the response assessment after 3 cycles, if it is not adequate, then we may give 3 more cycles and complete the entire 6 cycles of chemotherapy and then do the surgery at the end. The problem with ovarian cancers is, even though we can treat the malignancy completely at the first sitting, that is by surgery as well as by chemotherapy, the chance of recurrence is very high. So generally what they say is the median time to recurrence is 24 months. So what I mean to say, most of the cancers, most of the patients, after completion of therapy, they have to be on meticulous follow-up. At the end, what I'd like to say is, the most important thing in ovarian cancer surgery is during surgery that all the visible tumor has to be completely cleared, and also the ovarian tumor which inside the abdominal cavity has to be removed without rupture of the tumor. So during surgery, what the steps we do is, we remove the ovarian tumor, we remove the uterus, the lymph glands or lymph nodes on either side of the uterus, and all the visible tumor within the peritoneal cavity, within the abdominal cavity. The most important thing after treatment is follow-up. As I said earlier, the patient has to be counseled and the patient has to come meticulously for follow-up.